As a congenital amputee missing the lower part of my right arm, I've always had the mindset that I can do anything with only one hand. And while that is true for the most part, I went through 21 years of my life without the help of a prosthetic arm. I first started using the Covey hand around 2 years ago, and I have found the design to be unique and aesthetically beautiful to look at, but also equally as functional.
The problem for me, though, is that though things might be achievable by a long-winded route, when it comes to daily life, there's only so much time in the day and so much bodily energy. My accident caused damage that has my residual limbs achy and worn out. Using a Nexus hand has been a really effective way to take off some of the load from stretching and straining to do things, and instead retrain my brain to see that I can use that extra point of contact it provides to do things more quickly and easily.
The response time of the hand from signal to movement is impressively quick to make me feel like the hand is more in tune with my body. One of my favorite features is the quick rotation of grips and the ability to see it in real time on the screen so you're 100% sure about what grip you're in. For me, I find it difficult to do literally anything else when I'm taking my daughter for a walk. Using the Nexus hand to push the pram, I can then free up my left side to drink a coffee, look at directions, and grab things out of the backpack without missing a beat. The flexible wrist also ensures that I have a large range of motion, giving me endless possibilities.
The fact is that when I take off my Nexus hand, I immediately feel the lost capacity. Sometimes I get frustrated to have taken it off as I work to readjust back to my different toolkit. But the annoyance I feel when I take my arm off, when it could just help with one more thing, is clear evidence to me of the utility that the Nexus can provide in my daily life.
Out of all the hands that I've seen, I think the Covey Nexus hand is stunning in its design. The customizable panels make sure that I can match it to whatever I want. And as a fashion model, this is especially important to me. I'm really in love with the futuristic and cyber aesthetics, so the hand is really close to my heart.